before, I've always gone 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't do that this year because there's a new system. Gino, are you ready? Is he ready? Are you ready, Gino? We are go, 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 go.
No, I've got to look up anyway.
Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful time. My name is Colin Bryan and I can do magic. You don't believe me? How about this thing?
Wow.
I told you so. Now, 60 years ago, my dad, George Bryan, had this wonderful idea of creating a family theme park where boys, girls, mums, dads and grandparents could come and enjoy themselves. Now, where is he? Oh, there you are. And what did you call your theme park?
Drayton Manor theme park.
We built and opened the very first ride here in 1950. It was the first major ride for the park and it was very popular. What did you call it?
The snake train.
Was in the year 89 on that old Chicago line when the winter wind was blowing shrill. The rails were froze, the wheels were cold, and the air brakes wouldn't hold, and number 9 came roaring down the hill. Oh, the runaway train came down the track and she blew. The runaway train came down the track and she blew. The runaway train come down the track, the whistle wide and the throttle back and she blew. Oh, the engineer said the train was halt and she blew. The engineer said the train was halt and she blew. The engineer said the train was halt. He said it was all the fireman's fault and she blew, 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 blew. Oh, the fireman said he rang the bell and she blew. The fireman said he rang the bell and she blew. The fireman said he rang the bell. The engineer said she did that and she blew. Oh, the runaway train went over the hill and she blew. The runaway train went over the hill and she blew. The runaway train went over the hill. We heard she was going still and she blew, blew, blew.
Now, Dad, do you like animals? In 1957, you opened our zoo. It had a leopard, some sea lions, and 2 chimpanzees, and many...
Oh dear. That was a cool effect while it lasted. The speakers have gone off as well. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. There's been a trip out on the actual mechanicals of the projector, so Gina has told me he's just going to reset and we'll carry on from where we were. I'm sorry about that.
Yay! Well, that's good though.
Charlotte.
And we'll be back after this.